Hello everyone, this is the latest C2 handheld violent fan launched by LUOWEI. If you're a phone repairer still struggling with residual heat from soldering or stubborn dust in crevices, this fan isn't just a cooling tool, it's a must-have repair assistant that solves two big pain points at once. The C2's 200,000 RPM, high-power, turbine-ducted all-metal motor, combined with a high-speed boost airflow system, delivers concentrated, powerful airflow. This quickly dissipates excess heat from the motherboard after soldering a chip. Simply aim at the target location and the temperature is reduced in 3 to 5 seconds, eliminating the need for natural cooling, significantly accelerating repairs. The fan is also equipped with an LED light, located on the left side of the device. When turned on, the light is concentrated and bright, which can accurately illuminate the work area, such as mobile phone repair in dim environments. The one-touch overclocking start button on the back of the fan increases the motor speed instantly and increases the wind speed suddenly. It stops when you release it, making it flexible to operate. Equipped with a charging percentage display screen, it can show the power progress in real time during charging, making it easy to understand the charging status and avoid low battery troubles. C2 handheld powerful fan also comes with two practical accessories, a nozzle and a dust collection kit, adapting to diverse repair needs. The narrow nozzle concentrates the airflow, easily removing even the most deeply buried fine dust and debris. The dust collection kit attaches directly to the fan and simultaneously absorbs dust raised during operation, preventing it from re-entering the phone or staining the repair surface. This ensures a more thorough cleaning and reduces subsequent cleanup hassles. At last, the LUOWEI-C2 handheld powerful fan. From its core 200,000 revolutions per minute motor and one-click overclocking to its practical charging display and LED light, and finally to its scene-adapting nozzle and dust collection kit, comprehensively solves the pain points of cooling and dust removal in mobile phone repair.